Are you selling or promoting products online? If you are, then I'm guessing you've probably heard it a million times. Yep, you guessed it. It's the money's in the list. Well, duh. Come on, we already knew that. And we know that with the list, we can sell more, make more, and watch our business skyrocket. But what all those folks don't tell you is just how hard it is to go out and build a list in the first place. Things like setting up squeeze pages, opt-in forms, thank you pages, and then marrying it up to affiliate offers and promotions. The list is almost endless, right? It takes just way too long, and it's so frustrating. And it's why most marketers give up and miss out big time. But building a list doesn't have to be complicated. You see, there's a cool new software program that will let you set up an entire list funnel in, about 30 seconds flat. In fact, it's so fast and so awesome, we called it Squeeze Ninja. You can create killer squeeze pages in just a few clicks, and it automatically builds everything else you need so you can get to the best bit, making money with your list fast. Scroll down now to discover how Squeeze Ninja can change the way you market online.